While Super Nintendo World at Universal Studios Hollywood is almost close to being finished, Universal has officially posted Super Nintendo World on the official Universal Studios Hollywood app. Here is what the Super Nintendo World Map app is supposed to be like. Almost exactly how people would see it when entering the actual Super Nintendo World in Hollywood after it opens in the next few months. From the looks of it, seems that the green pipe near some mushrooms would be the entrance to the upper level for the Mario Kart ride. This right here looks like the entrance to some Nintendo minigame. The rooms between the thumps are probably another minigame. Can't figure out what the yellow pipe is for, but it looks like it is another Nintendo minigame. The Bowser Castle is here, probably going to that character's minigame form. I can't say what they probably look like, but we'll find out come early 2023. The rest of the land seems simple. We got the entrance to the Mario Kart ride at the Bowser Castle on the upper level, the entrance to Princess Peach Castle, and some meet and greets with the Mario Brothers and Peach. We also have the sounds from the Super Nintendo World Hollywood app if you like to listen to them.
Nice! Yippee! I love it.
That's right.
Up we go!
Ha ha!
Wow! Sweet!
Woohoo!
Go Mario!
Nice! Yahoo!
Woohoo!
Okay.
Temporary.
Wow!
Hey!
Oh goody!
Temporary.
Bye bye!
Temp audio.
Yahoo!
Woohoo! Bye!
Temp.
Yahoo!
Yaha!
Wahoo!
See ya! I love it!
Yeah!
Temp.
Bye!
Temp.
Ta-ta!
Yay! Lovely!
It's a me, Mario!
Temp.
All right! Oh yeah!
Wowee!
Wow!
Mamma mia!
Wow! Here I go!